Unlocking English Mastery. Nailing Prepositions and Conjunctions. Hello language enthusiasts! Today we're going to dive deep into the world of English grammar, focusing specifically on prepositions and conjunctions. We'll be working on some practice exercises which will guide you to use these important parts of speech effectively, particularly in written English. Remember, mastering these small but tricky grammatical elements can take your English proficiency to the next level. Before we jump into exercises, let's quickly remind ourselves what prepositions and conjunctions are. Prepositions are words that indicate a relationship between other words in a sentence, typically showing elements like direction, location, or time. For example, in the sentence, "The cat jumped on the table," on is a preposition. On the other hand, conjunctions are words that connect clauses, sentences, words, or other parts of a speech in a sentence. They help in forming compound, complex, or compound-complex sentences. For instance, in the sentence, "I am hungry but I don't want to eat," but is a conjunction. Common mistakes with prepositions and conjunctions can create confusion and hinder the clear communication of your thoughts. Let's look at some examples of common errors and correct them together. Incorrect. In 1990s, I was a teenager. Correct. In the 1990s, I was a teenager. Incorrect. I like reading and to write. Correct. I like reading and writing. By looking out for errors like these in your writing, you can make your sentences clearer and more accurate. Now, let's practice editing paragraphs for correct preposition and conjunction usage. Here's a paragraph. At 1990, I moved to New York. I was young but ambitious. I wanted to make a name for myself in the field of music. I worked during the day at a record store. I played gigs at night with my band. Let's correct this together. In 1990, I moved to New York. I was young but ambitious. I wanted to make a name for myself in the field of music. I worked during the day at a record store and played gigs at night with my band. See how the correct usage of prepositions and conjunctions makes the paragraph clearer and more precise? Well done, everyone! We've navigated through the complex world of prepositions and conjunctions today, looking at some common mistakes and how to avoid them. We even edited a paragraph together, making sure we were using these parts of speech correctly. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any language. So, keep writing, keep practicing, and keep learning. We hope this video was helpful, and we're excited to see you in the next one. Happy learning!